ইন্ডিয়ান প্লাস্টিক্স ফেডারেশনের আয়োজনে 25 থেকে 28 নভেম্বর কলকাতার বিশ্ব বাংলা মেলা প্রাঙ্গণে অনুষ্ঠিত হতে চলেছে পূর্ব ভারতের বৃহৎ আন্তর্জাতিক প্লাস্টিক্স প্রদর্শনী ইন্ডিপ্লাস 22। এই উপলক্ষে সম্প্রতি কলকাতার এক 5 তারা হোটেলে এক সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে সে কথা জানানো হলো সংস্থার পক্ষ থেকে। অনুষ্ঠানে বিশেষ অতিথি হিসেবে উপস্থিত ছিলেন মেয়র ও মন্ত্রী ফিরহাদ ববি হাকিম। এছাড়াও উপস্থিত ছিলেন ইন্ডিপ্লাস 22-র প্রেসিডেন্ট শিশির জালান, চেয়ারম্যান প্রদীপ নাইয়ার এবং ন্যাশনাল অ্যাডভাইজারি চেয়ারম্যান মিস্টার রমেশ রাটোরিয়া। তারা জানালেন,
Indian Plastic Federation has announced an investment of more than 1200 crores which would be happening in the next 3 years. We are planning to set up 2 new polyparks which will be only hosting factories for processing of plastic goods in and around Kolkata, Asansol and Durgapur area. Those polyparks will be set up with help of Government of West Bengal. And we are foreseeing that new polypark will be generating around 50,000 new employment in this sector. Already around 5,000 units of plastic manufacturing units are running in the state of West Bengal, which is directly and indirectly generating an employment of 5 lakh people.
The opportunity to buy new machines, new technology, modern infrastructure. इससे रिजल्ट क्या होगा कि यहाँ इंडस्ट्री बढ़ेगी। आज इंडस्ट्री बढ़ेगी तो नेचुरली गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू बेनिफिट फ्रॉम देयर एंड डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी मोर जॉब्स। जब जॉब्स क्रिएट होंगे, लोगों को काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, तो ये जरूरी है कि आज इंडियन प्लास्टिक फेडरेशन जो है हर समय की तरह अपने आप जो है इस इन क्लास एग्जीबिशन प्रमोट करती है ताकि यहाँ बंगाल के अंदर में इंडस्ट्री बढ़े। और फर्स्ट एंड फोस्ट मोटो है दैट वेयर वी स्टे, जहाँ हम रहते हैं यहाँ की इंडस्ट्री बढ़नी चाहिए।
I am Ramesh Rateria, immediate past president of Indian Plastics Federation. Our federation was established in 1958 and it's a leading association in Eastern India looking after the interest of all the members who are connected with the plastic industry. Our federation has been organizing this Indiplas exhibition since last you can say 20 years. So this is this exhibition which we are going to hold at Milan Mela ground will be the better one and larger one, and the responses from exhibitors who consist of raw material primary producers, processors, machinery manufacturers is overwhelming. We have almost booked the major portion of our space, and it's what we are foreseeing is this: we will be short of space and will have to extend the space to accommodate more exhibitors. So we are quite hopeful that this exhibition will surpass all the past records. And the beautiful part of this exhibition is this: it is being organized by the members, those who are connected with the plastic fraternity. We haven't sought the services of any professional agency. Whatever is being done is done by the members. Everybody and every member is contributing in its area, and they are very energetic, and we are quite hopeful that this exhibition will come out to be a good one, and the exhibitors who are going to exhibit their products will get a good business. And particularly after Corona, business is on upside, and we were delayed by 1 year because of Corona, but the response from the members and from the plastic fraternity is overwhelming, and all are very excited and hopeful of getting good business, and this will be a good I can say this will be a very good feather in our cap of exhibitions. This exhibition will be held at Milan Mela grounds, which is near to Science City and in the heart of Calcutta. Our West Bengal government has have built up a very good exhibition ground with AC hangars and hall that will accommodate different type of exhibitors. There is a separate hall for machinery manufacturers, there is a separate hall for raw material producers, there is a separate hall for processors. All they will be showcasing their products, and the visitors will have a good look at this exhibition, and they will be getting they will be seeing different type of live machinery demonstration, and whatever they require, I think they will get from there. This exhibition will be held in the month of November.